Okay, so I know I look terrible, very bad. I haven't taken a shower today. I didn't take one yesterday, but it's time to go out to eat. We're on our, let's see, what, third day vacation for my anniversary. David's and my anniversary. And I started doing something and I realized I need to show you guys this. So you stay there, honey. So my mom bought me this stuff. It's really, really good. It's called Kathy's Family Healing Lotion, 100% organic healing lotion, and they say you can eat it. It works great. It's fabulous. So I was putting that on my legs and my arm, and I said, oh my God, I forgot my hormones. Can't forget my hormones. So wait a minute. So there's something I want to show you that I did with this that I needed to do related to my hormones. So this stuff is really, really light. But right now I'm using the backs of my legs for my hormones. So since I haven't put those on yet, and I have this in my hand, I started putting it on the fronts of my thighs and then all down here and around the sides, so all along here. Because I now want to put on my hormones, and I don't want to mix. I use Hormone Heaven. I use 4 pumps twice a day right now. So, and I have been for a long time. So, I have to show you, I don't want to mix my hormones with my lotion because I don't want my hormones to get absorbed into the lotion, even though I don't think it will with this. I don't think this is fat soluble. I have to look at it. If it's got coconut oil and I can't remember, then it's got fat in it, so we don't want to mix it. So I do 4 pumps, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I put it on the back of my leg. So I didn't use the lotion on the back of my leg. Now I want to show you one more little advanced trick. You're gonna love this one. So when I rub it on the back of my legs, I put a little bit behind my knee, just a little, because that will absorb a little bit faster. We're more vascular in the back of our knees and in the inner portions of our arms. And down here too, very vascular. I don't use it here anymore. I used to recommend that, I don't. It's too easy to transfer it to somebody else. But a little bit, quick absorption, just a little right here, and the rest a little bit slower. And that's how I do it. Bye.